Order filled. Order filled.
Yo, yo, what's up, you guys? Okay, awesome, finally. What's up, you guys? What up, what up, what up? Wow, it feels weird to be back streaming. Yeah, dope. Nah, yeah, I took a trade. Bro, do you know what's so crazy? I had a sell stop sitting right there just like 5 minutes ago, and then I got distracted on my phone. I was like, holy fuck, I've got a trade on. And as I looked back, it was like literally right there, so I just closed it. I literally forgot that I was in a trade. Thank fuck I got out of it. Yo, yo, what up, what up, what up? Swagalicious. But yeah, what's up, you guys? Let's see if we can get cracking away here on gold and NQ and silver. And it should be good. Yeah, it should be really good. The trifecta, yes sir. What up, Wayon? Hi, hey Hunter, I'm keen on tonight. Sorry, someone named Daniel Holmes Trades with my same profile pic just joined. Come on, bro. Yeah, I'm keen on paddle tonight. Sorry, I've been busy. I haven't been able to get back to those messages. All right. All right, let's look at this. Hi bro, is this real live? Yeah, this is a real live. This is real. Are you concerned about the 2% top step rule? What's the 2% top step rule? I might be concerned, but I need to know what it is because I don't know anything. So tell me what it is. What's the 2% top step rule, you guys? Is this some new thing? $54K, yes, yeah, doing some crazy numbers at the moment. It's actually a lot more than that now, but you know, I'll say that for another day. Real B2K, brother, I remember. Good to have you. Wow, we're getting some OGs back here. History is my first ever viewer. What's up, History? What's with the OG cats coming in? Yeah, that would have been a legit call, girl, if you booked the call through my links. Yep. Yeah, so I had just before stream, I had a sell stop sitting here and I got triggered in, and then when I forgot about it and I quickly closed it because I literally forgot about it. Nah, I'm being serious. What is the 2% rule? Is someone just saying shit? Does auto block really work? I mean, everything kind of works, but then it's like, how do you put everything together to do a shit? I didn't book a call. Well, then why are you answering calls that you haven't booked? So, nah, it looks like you got scammed or something. I don't know. Wait, Shem, are you talking about the... Bro, you got big so fast. Thanks, History. I appreciate you, man. Yeah, it's been cool. Been a crazy journey. And I'd just like to thank all my fans. Oh, Shem, yeah. I mean, how did you go with managing it? I ended up closing it with a small profit, but I would have had targets probably below this wick. I think I would have been okay. Were you able to secure or manage? I literally forgot about it. Yeah, Dubai's been good. Everything's been good. Everything's been good, and that's it. And it's been good. Hey, you guys, drop a thumbs up for the stream as well. Oh, really, Shem? Did it go up and then back down? Yo, what up, Harmless? Good to catch up with you today, my man. H-Dog. I'm gonna have a quick look over here. So let's do a real quick bit of analysis here. Bro, are you guys like kind of scared like I am when you look at gold and silver? It's almost scary like what's happening in this market. It's like, is the world gonna end or something? I don't know. Jesus is coming back. So massive push up. Hey, didn't we just crack 5,000 on gold? Why are we nearly at 6,000 now? Bro, we were trading, hey history, it was 2.5. Why are we already talking about 6,000? So hectic. So. We've got unemployment claims coming up as well. Keep me blinded with your beautiful fair skin, bro. How much time required to learn trading? In the early days, you want to allocate a decent amount of time. I mean, if you go hard out at it in the early days, you can really learn a lot. You know, you could probably learn all the fundamental shit in like a month or two. China. And then you know, you got to move on to the next chapter, which is like, you know, really fine tuning the craft of your strategy and stuff. In an effort to protect our firm and our traders, we will not allow market participants when a product is trading within 2% of a price limit. Wait, what? What does that even mean? Does anyone know what that actually means? Does anyone know what that means? Sorry, I'm a child. Let's figure this out because I need my money. Here we go. What does this mean? You're not allowed to place trades in the market is too close to being... What the fuck does that mean? Up and down, move per day. If the market is very close within 2% to that daily max move... But how do you know whether it's a max move or not? Oh no, this didn't make it any easier. It used to be so much more simple.
In the beginning.
It's alright guys, I'll make a prop firm and then everyone can rinse it. But I don't know what product limit means. Bro, I'm retarded. I just know how to click buy and sell. Like, I don't know anything. Ty, yeah. Bro, to be honest, Ty, I entered a sell here and I literally forgot about it. I was doing shit on my phone. And I came back, I was like, fuck! And I closed it like there. Closed it with like 4-5 ticks. Love you, sir. Love you more. Nice to see you too, Carolina. Nice to see everyone. Everyone like the stream at once. If everyone presses like, we all win. So let's have a look at gold. Like, where are we at? Where are we at, bros? Before hose. Not very cool on gold. Maybe we can mark a level here. We got red folder drop in here in 20 minutes. So I don't know what you guys think about that. Did you take some courses to be profitable, or have you ever Yeah, I've taken heaps of courses in the past, definitely. Yeah, I was a course strategy hopper, did everything. Wait, today's price. So it means that what? So if price moves 2% of the value of that asset, you basically can't trade for the day. Is that what that means? No. Bro, what? What? Bro, Top Step have just shit the bed. That can't be true. If that's true, Top Step have just shit the bed bad. They're going to lose everyone. So do you just if the markets move that much, you just go, oh, I guess I can't trade. Like, I guess I'm just not trading today. What? Yeah, so the reality is you guys are going to have to be here for a little bit because we have red folder coming in 19 minutes. It's true, I just failed my evaluation because it dropped over 2 Gs. What? Brother. What? Is this for real, chat? Let me put my shits on, hang on. Let's see something real quick. I don't want to use Tradify, it's expensive. Oh, I think I've had this rule of some sort for a long time. Yeah, look, 2% price limit. Oh, this is, bro, you're fucking tripping us out for nothing. Yeah, it looks like it's been around for a while. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I'm more confused as well. Yeah, this is just annoying. No, don't worry about the Top Step rule, bro. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. No, I agree, Wayon. What's the best prop firm to use in Australia? Mine. It's called Daniel Holmes fucking prop. No, I don't know. Just anything. Top Step. Use Top Step. Yeah, so, I mean, the reality is, guys, let's just hang out here for a minute because we've got red folder coming in a couple minutes. So we'll see what price wants to do there. And then, yeah, we should get some juicy volume as that starts to settle a little bit. Gold's kind of melting down a bit here. Yeah, been around a while. Yeah. Can you give me some basic advice on how to don't blow up accounts and be consistent, make payouts? I mean, that's such a broad question, bro. Like, my thing, what I would always come back to is why are you blowing accounts? Like, what is the reoccurring thing? Are you oversizing? Are you revenge trading? Are you impulse trading? Like, some of you guys ask for advice and I'd love to give you it, but you just be like, hey man, can you give me tips on how to win in life? And I'm like, that's too broad. You know what I mean? You can be more specific. Winners ask good questions. That was one thing I've always been good at, is I know how to ask good questions to people that I want advice from. Yeah, you want to be able to ask good questions. Hey, you guys, flipping, all good. What do you guys know about this? What do you guys know about young Ty doing shit? Why I teach.
Just a year ago from now, I
If you jump
was
on my
doing
Insta,
an
you'll hear a
electrical
bit of a
pre-trade
Thai
course as I
testimonial.
had plans to become an electrical apprentice. Fast
He's
forward to now,
cooking, my
though,
dude. He's cooking, my dudes. He's cooking. So, how to avoid trading out of boredom? Perfect, bro. The thing is, like, the number one thing is awareness. You're aware that you get bored, right? You're aware of it. Now what? All right. That's why it's good to have a strict set of rules. I show up at this time, I trade, and then I cruise off and I come back if I'm going to trade again type beat. You know, one of the most powerful things you can do as a trader is the ability to turn the computer off and walk outside and shit. You use the most recent levels to the left? Yes. Yeah, most recent levels to the left. What is an ICT trader? Broke! Broke. What's a price action trader? Rich. Yeah, so it looks like price is kind of dancing around a little bit here because we've got some high impact news coming in very 14 minutes. NQ's doing that. GC is moving down, wasn't it? Yep, big breakdown here. At least we've got much better level here on GC. Much better level there. Silver Surfer. Yeah, if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, I don't know what you're doing. Literally, as soon as you press the follow button, you become profitable. I don't know. I don't make the rules. Logan Paul is smashing on the charts. Brother! Come on, man. Hi, Daniel. Looking good. You're looking good too, Sophie. Monk. What apps, Rich? What apps? What's the best way to trade all-time highs? Just be aggressive. Don't be a bitch about it kind of thing. Like, you're going to have to get aggressive. If you're looking to buy up through all-time highs, you're going to need to get aggressive and just accept the risk. Is it a little bit unpredictable? Yeah, I guess. But you're typically going to have to be pretty aggressive. Can you tell me the most reliable and best prop firm? Top Step, probably. Yeah, I should be on Top Step stream in a week, you guys. I had to do a fucking criminal background check, which is crazy. All good. We're just on a prop firm. We're just on a live stream, but all good. So hopefully my murder charge doesn't come back. Other than that, it should be good. Yeah, so we got red folder coming in here. Red folder news coming. So let's just see how that hits, and then when the dust settles a little bit, we might be able to get some volume and take some shits. I'll watch 50 hours tutorial, feel like I get it, but look different, back testing. Yeah, I mean, there's the illusion of action when you're just like watching video after video. At some point, you're going to have to get in the trenches. Yeah, you're going to have to get in there, get your feet wet, dirty or whatever. Do you get an invite to live? Yes. I stay paid until I do, yeah. I mean, I suppose we've got a level here on silver too. Got you home. FVG, ICT, OB, and etc. They are really working in Forex, or I have to just master the charts. I mean, you kind of answered your own question. You go, should I pick a concept or should I learn what charts and candlestick anatomy means? It's like saying, it's like, here's a like, analogy. It's like saying, hey man, should I get really good at like pickup lines when I go to talk to a chick, or should I get really good at being a good dude and a chick that women would want to be attracted to? Right? So one's like the fundamentals and the other one's like a cover kind of thing. Not to say all that shit works, but it's just like pieces of the stuff. Apparently there's some paddle tournament with traders in Dubai. Who's ever played paddle? It's fucking pretty fun. You were gone the last 3 days? Yeah, I mean, yeah, I'm only live trading on YouTube once a week. Yes, the rest are in the mentorship community and stuff. How to avoid live call? Just keep trading how you are. Yeah, how to avoid live call is just trade shit, I guess. I don't know. I mean, yeah, I used to be every day for a year and a half. I kind of did a lot for a long time. Thoughts on turbo trades? What the fuck is a turbo trades? Sniper trades? Sniper. I mean, I always say this, but I wish I had like a trade name. Banana trades or something. What is the idea for a sell trade if we are bearish? Yeah, I mean, it's going to be kind of not ideal, but if a candle breaks below here, but it's going to be tough because we've got this, at this closure is red folder news kicking in. Trade that goes, meow. Yes. I mean, what a crazy move up today. Big banana, yes sir. Mad dog trades, yeah. Or just dog trades. What are the levels, bro? The levels are just, bro, how do I set up an account? Damn, I think I'm getting sick again, bro. I don't want to get sick again. Turbo trades is some guy I saw trading on TikTok. Oh. Yeah, there's a lot of TikTok guys and stuff. I mean, I'm not super concerned about a 4-hour closure. I used to be a bit more concerned, but I would say it's more like be cautious of the open of the new 4-hour. Yeah, because the open of the new 4-hour will kind of be a bit jumpy. You Captain America Avengers? Wait, what? Is it possible to start with 100? Yeah, but I mean, it's going to end with 0 though. Like you got to... I always suggest prop firms. Like looking at prop firms, it's a low barrier to entry and it's a good way to learn. How many micros you use on a 50K Express? It depends. Low range is 1 mini, mid range is 2, mid to high is 3, and I think only once or twice I've ever really used 5. My highest will probably be 3 minis. But that's once I've got a decent buffer on the account and shit. Tried your method, was able to catch yesterday. Gold expansive, made 4K demo account. Let's get it. X Jones 1000. What up, brother? What up, man? Hope work's not cooking you with all the driving. How much do you get a 50K account to before you request 50%? I don't know, bro. What's happening behind the scenes? I know, bro. It's so hectic. All right, so we've got red folder cooking here. We've got 5 minutes till red folder news hits. Daniel, sir, I want to join your mentorship, sir. I will check the Discord DM I've sent you. Oh, you did too. Yeah, all right, I'll check it after this. Yep, I forgot about that. There's a 1000% chance you're not going to join, but I'll still check it. I don't understand anything at all from the Turbo Trades guy trading style. I mean, just ask questions. Yeah, ask him. He'll probably explain it. What up, Lee? Broker, there's a link in my bio. We've got 5 minutes till unemployment claims, you guys. What do you got? What do you reckon? Do you reckon prices on gold and silver is going to push up or down? Triple threat. Fuck. How to pass combines quickly? Full margin! Click that shit. There's only two things that are going to happen, this or this. Right? So, I'm vibing so hard to this background music. I thought that was Shem that said that. Full margin. Yeah, it's like, man, come on. I'm thinking it's going to be bearish, but since gold keeps, yeah, who knows, man. We've got 4 minutes till red folder, gang. Nah, bro, I found profitability with price action. Yeah, price action's good if you can really... Price action is good. Like trading, you're going to be good at trading as long as you show up every day for hours on end and years and tears and trauma and ups and downs and all that kind of shit. You should be good to go. So that's all it's going to take, really. I'll be honest, if you come into a mentorship, like there's definitely guys that I've worked with and they've started their trading career and they have gone through the ups and downs, but nowhere near as much as like most people. Like I've got guys that have been funded in their first like couple months and I'm like, bro, it took me 2 years to get funded, and most traders like 2 years to even get there. And they're like, no, but I blew the account. I'm like, you're not meant to be funded right now. You're meant to still be an idiot, just fucking doing all this crazy shit. So, yeah, it's different. Would you ever go funded with 10K or just trade? No, I would just trade fundeds. I mean, I've got a personal I'm growing to 100. Yeah, that's the kind of level you want to get to, Sammy, is once Sammy here said, I just get the instinct now when I see my setup, I take it automatically. How many contracts you use on silver? Not many. It depends on the setup. Yeah, because silver's more heavy than gold. It's like double or some shit. Blown an account, part of the process? Yeah, like in the trauma stage. Yeah, I mean, it's tough. It is tough. Like every profitable trader you'll see, they have like, you know, you can kind of see the trauma in their eyes. It's like seeing like an old war vet. You can kind of see, oh yeah. It's just like, you know that meme where it's like, yeah. You can see that, oh yeah, I see you've been through it. Yeah, I get it. Why does every movie end like that, where it's like the hero meets the guy that was somehow at the start and told him all the shit, and then he's like, he walks away and then he looks at him and then walks off into the distance. So that's every movie ending. That's kind of like what it's like when you meet another profitable trader. Is you on live now? No. No. So we've got 1 minute for red folder. 1 minute, man. We'll see. I'm not even going to bother looking at NQ. I already gave up because I lost all my savings. Hey, Cat, the cat saved. I replied to your comment. I actually remembered your name. I replied to your comment when you said that on my shits. And my reply to you, the cat saved, is One, I'm not trying to roast you, but why would you put your savings into something that you're not a professional at yet? So you got to understand that you've got some sort of mamboline addiction. The thing that you do at the casino, you just treated this like that, right? Because there's no reason why you would do that. And two, now you just have to work and build your savings back up and then use this as a side hustle until it can take over and become a main bitch. So there's a way to recover from this, but you know, unfortunately you've had to learn a really bad, like a lesson, a really tough way. When did you start the 5K, 100? How long will it take? Yeah, I started in November. I didn't really trade December, and now here we are. All right, 10 seconds, red folder in 10 seconds, gang. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up for the stream. Streaming once a week here. Fuck. Here we go. Unemployment doesn't usually have like a big pop. It like cooks a little bit and then direction kicks in. Your broker is unregulated and offshore. Seriously? Really, bro? Just like 99% of all brokers? Doofus? All right, here we go. Let's see. Let's see, chat. NQ's chilling. I mean, here's some sort of level on silver. GC. All right, we're gonna have to see. No coffee. I want to make coffee so bad, but I was running late for the stream. I'm from Pakistan. I want $20 to $30 daily. Please give me your suggestions. I don't know. Does anyone have any suggestions? Nice, harmless. Thank you. Yeah, fuck it. That's got me keen on a buy. Loan to trade. Someone said loan to trade. Wyan says don't trade. Hey Hunter, what time is it tonight? Did you say 9:30? All right, you're just gonna get banned now for spreading false information, you weirdo. Are they veneers? Yeah. So here we are. Let's see. I've got a couple of levels here. Obviously, this is a pretty nice break below level. I don't know if we'll get it. We'll see though. 9:30. Man, you guys are on the midnight shift. Bro, why weekend 2-day stream to 1 stream? Unfair, bro. Yeah, I know, bro. The thing is, man, I did it every day for a year and a half, and now I need to kind of step back from doing that because it is a big portion of the day. Especially, bro, some of these streamers stream for 3 hours plus. So you got to think about the pre-prep for the stream, getting everything set up, and then after, it's like a 4 hours of their day gone. Wild. I only do like an hour and a bit, but even that, it's like, man, I've got a lot of shit to do every day. And I always want to try and do something like this for free, but you know, I do have a lot of guys that are under me under mentorship, and I'm always thinking, what can I do for them? Wait, you don't understand what I said, Silsik? Do you know some Spanish? Gracias. The only Spanish I know are Spanish women. And yeah, I don't know what they usually say. Just full ported, let's get it. In your opinion and on what you know or probably see, do you think it'll go up to 6K? I mean, who cares? You know what I mean? Can we pay to watch a live stream without getting mentorship? Nah, I'm sorry, G. Yules! I know your TikTok name. That's hilarious. No more Spanish lessons. Yeah. I know your TikTok name. That's so good. Gold moving down, silver moving up, NQ moving sort of up. So I'd love to get a setup at this next candle closure, to be honest. Like if it can break above here even. Oh, the other guy's broken English. Yeah. I need 300 to meet the threshold very first payout. Nice, mentally tough. Yeah, don't rush it. You're there, bro. Yeah, my advice would be just don't even worry about it. Don't think about it. Another thing as well, you guys, is don't think about, I mean, if you're trading Top Step or these other platforms, don't always be looking at your dashboard. You know, there's like a tendency to look into your dashboard and look at your stats. That's really bad for your psychology. Because there's a party that wants to keep it really pretty and like, I've got a nice win rate and I've got a bing bong and all this kind of shit. Like, try not to do that. It's a bad way to go. I actually forget about it now. I don't even, sometimes, oh fuck, that's right. Let me see what my shit even looks like. Because I broke that habit. Because I always wanted to keep it really pretty. And that's I think they do it on purpose to fuck with you. They show you all these stats where it's like, who really gives a shit? I applied for the mentorship, but I haven't reached out. Yeah, they probably haven't reached out because you're from Africa or India. Yeah, I've had to ban Africa and India because I've had over 1,000 applications and only one ever sign up. So yeah, I had to ban applications from Africa and India. It was just taking too much time. It was a business decision. All right. This dude's so like adamant on coming back on a different account. Now you're just going to get banned as well. I just banned both your accounts, you retard. I mean, if you have an issue with fucking Torah, go talk to them. Why do I give a shit? Bro, I live in Dubai. Oh, I mean, send me a DM. Send me a DM on TikTok then. Do you have any groups where you give out signals? I mean, right here, basically. Yeah, staring at the stats mess with you 100%. Yeah, where's Nikki? Legit. The cat saved. Did you hear what I said before? Bay or seal. Make sure you guys on YouTube drop a thumbs up for the stream, gang. Live once a week. This is the 1 week banger. This that 1 weeker. Blue 5x FAs today. My issue is removing my stop loss. How do I get over this? It's not an emotion, it's a decision. The emotion is what you feel after it. What I would say, Supreme Trades, is don't link all your accounts. Trade them individually. Bro, somebody profits when they lose. Bro, when I get a coffee from a shop, they profit because I give them money for it. What a scam. Hey, Supreme Trades. I'd highly suggest if you've got multiple fundeds, trade them individually, bro. Don't link them all together. What a joker. Yeah, trade them individually, my G. It's too like, it's not even necessary to link them all. Like, sometimes it's okay, but you know, let's say you put a trade on and you lose 300 over 5 accounts. If you're not like super duper experienced, and even then, like you can still get cooked. Like look at somebody like, you guys know BPC Trades. Like he's a high level prop firm trader, really like a guy you want to look up to. He's a guy that I look up to, and you know, he even has emotional moments and shit like that. Like no one's immune to tilt and emotions, no matter how high level you are. So remember, the discipline in trading is like an everyday practice. So I'd suggest, yeah, not linking them all together. I don't really do it that much these days. I do every now and then. Are you on fixed day each week? Do you mean streaming? I'll be streaming every Thursday, yeah. No, somebody earns. I mean, if having a stop loss is your biggest issue, it sounds to me like you're just massively gambling to get them over the line, but you have no idea what you're actually doing. Oh, you are experienced. I mean, yeah, like the stop loss thing it's just a part of the rule, as part of the game. Like you've got to set the stop. I don't understand. It should be a part of your system. It's already inbuilt in the system. And I understand you're removing it because, oh my God, look at fucking copper, you guys. Someone said copper in the chat. Wow. You know, I wanted to put a long position on copper down here, but I thought it was going to come down more. Copper's breaking all-time highs. All these metals, maybe we need to start looking at copper again soon, you guys. I used to trade copper. Don't sleep on copper. Maybe we need to start looking at copper again soon. It does look a bit fucking choppy though. This looks like one of the biggest pushes from copper so far. Copper was reliable. My gold chart looks different to yours because you're probably on Forex and I'm on futures. In Between is Australian show? No, I haven't. It sounds familiar though. I don't watch TV. Nah, I sort of watch documentaries and stuff sometimes. You sent progress in the Dissi? Okay, let's have a look in the Dissi where you sent the progress. Hey, real quick, I'll give you guys a link to the free Discord community. We do have a community over here of traders and Discord and shit, so here's a link. Cobalt, what a joker. Supreme, this is your shits. So on a funded, yeah, this looks good, man. So just keep chipping away. Keep doing your thing. Don't get crazy. Don't shoot for the moon. Don't shoot for whatever. Just chill and just, yeah, it looks good. Yeah, anyone's got any analysis or anything they want to throw on the Discord for us to look at on stream, throw it in there as well. So if we get a break above this level, I might be interested in taking a buy here. Copper. Yeah, metals are going wild. Oh, I had a dream last night that, this is a full dream I had. Like it was massive worldwide news that scientists have found out that silver was actually an organism and wasn't a metal. And like we've been hurting an organism this whole time and all this kind of shit. So yeah, that was my dream last night. Yeah, that's exactly right, Brett. They do. They steal it. Bro, legit. What a joker. Did someone say NQ? The tough thing with it, yeah, NQ is why NQ is not good. Silver's looking the most promising. Gold's not even looking that promising. Silver's looking the most promising. Please, what time frame? You can see it on the screen, my G. Hey, you guys on YouTube, if you all press thumbs up at the same time right now, I'll actually become famous on TikTok. On you guys on YouTube, I'll become a famous TikTok dancer. Yeah, silver's looking the most promising right now. I can't believe copper. Copper, what a joker. Look at the fucking... How did you guys know? How did you guys not know to buy copper down here? Damn. What a joker. Thinking of going with your linked broker. Was it here before? Just saying complete bollocks. It got me a little... Wait, so you've got 3 YouTube accounts and now you're back on the 3rd account, but this time you're praising the broker. Bro, just do it. Stop being a bitch about it. Like, no one cares about your $20 deposit. Legit. Like, these brokers don't care about your $50 or $100 deposit. Okay, if you were planning to put like, you know, 300K in, they'll be like, maybe they'll be like, oh yeah, some guy just deposit 300K. Like, let's keep an eye on this guy or whatever. But, you know, you're putting in like $100 and shit. Like, no one's looking at it, bro. It's all good. I promise you. All right, I've got some kind of closure here. It's a bit of a weird closure. Let's see if we can get out of this 1 minute. I might be interested. What does it look like on FX? Didn't break out on FX. Hey. Influencer. Posted progress where? Or analysis? Can someone tell me if I'm marking the levels correctly? Yeah, but I'll give you a bit of advice on this. See this level here? It's good that you're marking this, but you're going to run straight into this resistance here. So that's why I'm not interested in, that's why I'm not too interested in gold. So I like how silver just broke that high there now. I'll be honest with you guys, I can't take this. It didn't really break out. So what I'll be looking for is if this candle can close here above this range, that's going to be a 30-minute closure. And then I'm very interested. But right now, like even if you look at the Forex chart, it barely broke out. Like remember what a breakout implies? It implies strength engulfing an area and then continuation. So if you're getting like a half-assed breakout, it's not really a breakout then. It's just kind of price there. But what if it leaves and fucking my hands are tied? Hey, my hands are tied. What's that? You know, the Italian movie? Hey, Johnny, my hands are tied. Funny like a clown. Old man Paxus, what up? Oh my God, Zoom's just fucking so bad, bro. It keeps... All right. Yeah, I mean, if this candle can close here, I'm very fucking interested. Goodfellas, yeah. Yeah, if you're trading silver 1 micro, not 1 mini, it's like a billion. It's like a billion, yeah. Ty, weren't you saying some dude the other week when silver sold off, he had like 5 minis on or something? That's crazy. Lottery strat. Who used to do the lottery strat? Fuck. I forget. B-book, do you know what it is, bro? No one's B-booking your trades. No one's watching it and be like, oh my God, this guy's the guy. Let's B-book him. Cody, yes. Cody has the lottery strat. Hey, real quick, just to show again what I was talking about here with these levels. What I meant is if you mark this level here, guy, you go, oh, here's my resistance. But then just above that, you've got this level here of resistance. So if you're buying a break above this, knowing that you're going to run straight into this, and not only that, you've got another level right there. So it's like, it's kind of a stairway up. I don't like buys above here personally. The best bet's going to be a break below because you got clean traffic down to there then. Yeah. So, man, if we can get this 30 closure above, that's going to be really nice. One answer, what's your mentorship fee, sir? Too much for you. Yeah, it's going to be too much for you, my G. Yeah, 5 micros, 1 mini. Yeah, glad I didn't look at that buy there. See, I got stopped out then. Would have just got stopped out. Man, copper is crazy push. So yeah, hopefully we can get a bit of a play here coming up. If this can like do whatever it wants to do now, but then retrace back up and up into this range and then get that 30 closure above here, that'd be really nice, man. You can look at a nice fucking buy position then. NQ is dropping, bro. What are you looking at? We'll see if gold can close below here as well. That'd be nice as fuck. That'd be really nice. Bro, closure below here on gold, that'd be super nice. Super duper. Yeah, man, silver on the weekly and gold as well is just so crazy. I mean, we were talking about it on the stream this morning or yesterday where it's like, who's seen that thing where it's like, we're 85 seconds away from the doomsday clock hitting 12. And it's like, just the clock, all good, just turn it back. But yeah, I get it. I get the point. New follower here. What up? Welcome, friend. This is AI. This AI. This is AI. Sure, it's AI. How does AI speak? It's like, AI is fun. An interactive. I don't even know. Yeah, he's a bot. We'll keep an eye on silver and gold here. I've kind of got these two levels pinned right here. But I feel like they're kind of right. Like, I mean, think about what gold's doing and all this shit. I'm just like, I don't know, man. It's kind of scary. That's scary.
Every second counts, and we are running out of time. It is a hard truth, but this is our reality. It is now 85 seconds to midnight.
The bulletin of the atomic scientists.
The idea of a clock as well is just so fucking funny.
On the doomsday clock. But what is the doomsday clock? And what does midnight mean?
4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Since 1947, the bulletin of the atomic scientists.
Every second counts, and we are running out of time. It is a hard truth, but this is our reality. It is now 85 seconds to midnight.
85 seconds to midnight. Hey, real quick, lady. Just wind it back a little bit for us, would you? That's all. But yeah, there you go, guys. We're 85 seconds to midnight. So do what you want with that. Yeah, gold at 7K, fucking legit, man. Like, I was thinking about it last night. I'm like, what's to say we won't go to 100K? I mean, 10K. Hey man, how long before and after open would you recommend? I mean, I would get straight into it at the open if you get your setup. Yeah. Yeah, I'd get straight chipping away at it. Nah, Top Step don't have promos typically. Yeah, we go to heaven, but you got to repent to Jesus. So look how this looks on the 30 right now, you guys. If that can close like that on the 30, which would look like this on the 15, that'd be hella juicy. And the 1 hour look like that, I'll be Ellen DeGeneres and all over that. Yeah, I'll be Ellen DeGeneres in that, straight up. The 4 hour is still open on everything. Sweet. Bro, God, was that 4K last week? I don't know, man. It was like 50 seconds to Mars. I don't know, but it's like now we're, I guess, at 6K basically. It's so schizo. Bro, legit. Like the most crazy shit's possible now. And then what if some mega doomsday thing happens, you guys? So let's look at the 4 hour. What if some mega doomsday thing happens and then just some historical meltdown just comes? Anything can happen. I remember I was listening to like this really respected institutional trader, like when gold was down here and he was saying, yeah, man, you know, I've been holding a position for 2 years, but I think gold's way too overextended now and I'm going to close the position. Little did he know, price was going to go 3 times. So even the guys at the highest level, they've been in the game for trillions of years as institutional traders, no one knows anything. Like we're all just guessing. Like we're all just kind of doing our own thing. Like no one knows shit. Excited for our meeting on Tuesday, Sham? I've got a lot of meetings coming up. I can't remember what meeting. I'll have to check the calendar, but let's fucking get it. That's all I know. Wow, your broker said they're going to be increasing the slippage spread and shit. That's unbelievable. You heard AI is going to cause the biggest crash? I mean, the only crash that AI could cause is the fact that you've had so many billionaires and all these tech companies massively invested into AI. So if there was like an AI bubble burst, essentially meaning that what was predicted of AI didn't live up to the standards. So all that investment is going to be like down the drain. Mentorship. Yeah, anyone that's serious about mentorship, one-on-one work, you go to danielholmestrades.com and submit an application. If you don't hear back from the application, it just means that you're probably not the best fit for us and we'll move on. Yo, what up, Pete? Good to see you, brother. All right, so we've got a closure here. There's silver. Oh, is gold breaking below this level? Nice. If we can hold here, I'm going to sell gold. 30 looks pretty yuck. 1 hour looks pretty good. 4 hour looks pretty good. Yeah, I'm just not a huge fan of the 30, but I like everything else. Is this scalp trading? Yeah, I'd say this is scalp trading, yeah. Scalpel. All right, I've got a minute here. Make sure you guys on YouTube drop a thumbs up for the stream. I only go live 1 day a week on YouTube. Oh, I booked. Nice, Sham. W. Awesome. Do you take a slight cut? Bro, this dude is obsessed with B-books and shit. I get a slight cut from everyone who registers with the link in my bio. Why do you think I have the link in there? I'm not just there because it's like a cool story. Like, I want money. So I get you a really good deal with your first deposit. If you deposit, you get a 100% bonus, and I get a slight cut, but it's like fucking $1. It's literally nothing. I don't even need to do it. I mean, it's more than $1, but it's not. It's literally nothing to move the needle at all. That's why I don't really think about it. It's called business, brother. Like, I don't know if you understand. Nice, harmless. Yeah, I think you're gonna love that. Hey, any of you guys here that are traders, which should be everyone, the book from Tom Hogarth, The Best Loser Wins, is going to be like a really good book for you to get cracking away at. So if I can get a flip here, I'm not going to take it on the first flip. I'm going to need this to kind of come down and create a bit of a wick, reject, and then I'll enter a sell on gold. Silver's pushing up. I'm here for B-book. To take a cut from, bro, I don't know. I honestly don't know. I don't make much money from broker shit at all. If I made more, I would just be like doing all this hectic shit, but I don't make fuck all, so I don't really think about it. You're gonna find the most broker like weird shit in signal groups. Yeah, whenever you're in a signal group, they always get the signal guys to use their broker, and then they give out the signals, and they just rinse you for all their money, and they make a massive cut from it. Yeah, any of you guys in signal groups and shit, you just like, I'm sorry, but like, you're a bot. Like, you really are. And you need to get out. You're gonna need to get out of the signal groups if you want to take trading serious. Have you heard of AJ Currency? Yeah, AJ Currency's living here in Dubai. He's an Australian guy. So I can't take this in the first flip, you guys. And, you know, if you want to, go for it. But and I might miss it by being picky like this, but I'm not going to take it on the first flip. If you'd like to, then go for it. But I personally am not going to. And I'm willing to say goodbye to it potentially. I mean, I've heard some numbers of some traders here in Dubai that run signal groups, and it's tremendous the amount of money they make per month from the kickbacks from the brokers through the signal groups. It's insane. Like, I'm talking hundreds of thousands, if not up to the million plus per month from kickbacks from brokers through signal groups. And I've been approached many times from brokers to run signal groups, and I'm like, I just can't do it, bro. I can't do it. Like, there's no, like, what am I going to do? Like, send out 10 signals a day? It's like, I take like 3 trades a day max. Yeah, we said they could give them free sigs. It's like, come on, man. I could be making trillions. Silver's pushing up. Gold's kind of chilling here. Gold's going to be our potential hope here. I mean, I just want a bit of an extra confirmation here with like the fact that it has no bottom wick. It could just come down, create that bottom wick, and then fuck off. I'd like to see it create that wick. You know, you've got a lot of rejections around here as well. So I'd like to see it create that wick, you know, fuck off and then come back. Or even if I've got enough range to play with, I could even take it the break down here somewhere. Oh my God. Bro, this is 100. This is 100. This is 110 pips. These ranges are massive. I didn't even realize. I'm going to have to lower the size massively and just... I'm going to have to go to MGC to be brutally honest. Am I? Yeah, that's going to be $1,000 pip stop. $1,000 stop. Holy fuck, these ranges are big, man. Wow. Nah, the music's just all this random shit I just picked. I don't know. Wow, these ranges are gigantic, you guys. Wait, so from just here to up here, like what is this range? What? Bro, today has moved 1,500 ticks up to there. What the fuck? I literally had no idea. There, this is like crazy stuff happening. This is like every day is just like historical. Every day is historical. That's a vibe. Yeah, that's one of the songs. So yeah, I'm still potentially interested. I guess we just have to adapt to it. But like I said, you guys know what I need to see. So I need to see that low be broken, and then yeah. Jump scare at his micro. Shem just fucking pops up out of the shadows. Man, I hate that. What? Crazy ranges? Yeah, man, it's so crazy. Check NQ. Pretty nice level on NQ, man. You know, it's risky because we're coming into the stock exchange. So I guess I'm gonna have like a $500 stop loss or something. Yeah, the last few months have been around 50, 60 pips, but it keeps like it just keeps getting bigger and bigger. Bro, I'm not joking, man. 2 years ago and a bit, like your stop loss, you could get away with like a 17 to 20 pip stop loss. That was like an average stop. Then it stepped up to like 25, 30, 40, 50, 60, 100. Now it's 120. Soon stop loss is gonna be like 1,000 pips. I mean, I've said it a lot. This is a really good time to be a trader. This is like a crazy time, and you can get away with like some massive profits, man. You can get away with some massive profits. Like I've had multiple 10K days just letting runners run and shit. Like it's a vibe. So yeah, that 30 didn't even break above here, and now the next one just took off. All good. Yeah, nano contracts, legit, man. What's the best funded account? Probably Top Step. Yeah, I'd say probably Toppy. Do you take 3 trades a day, even if you're red? Nah, if I have two red trades, I'll typically call it a day. Like if I have an L on one account, this is why I like splitting them up sometimes. If I take an L on one of my accounts, I'll kind of leave that for the day and then move over to another account. If I take an L on that, I'm just like, man, I'm not in tune today. It's probabilities aren't playing out in my favor. Partnership opportunity. Hi, Daniel. Following you up on my recent email. I don't know, bro. Shem already has a nano. Recommend a serious broker that pays? I don't know. Yeah, silver's breaking all times. Gold's pushing up. I'll be honest with you guys. You know, if you've had a rough day on the market, you don't want to trade, just send me a message and say jump on stream, because I'll guarantee no setups. I'll almost guarantee it. So, you know, just keep that in mind. Wow, look at silver. Thoughts about YM? What's YM again? The Dow. Oh, wow. Wow, look at the Dow, man. Maybe we need to start looking at the Dow. I mean, I can't just keep looking at... there's too many things to look at. No, I'll keep it how it is. Keep it how it is. GC. GC's pushing up massively as well. If you have accounts, you prefer to trade them together? I do a bit of both. Split them up, sometimes together. Yeah, do a bit of all rounder. Thinking of starting to stream myself. My journey from being non-profitable broke. Any advice on how to start? Yeah, man. I think that's a really cool idea. This is what I would say. Just start. Don't even think about it, bro. Don't even fucking think about it. Just get your phone and start. Download the software called OBS, which is a streaming software, and just start. I started with my phone, just streaming off my phone. Don't overthink it. Just show up and start clicking buttons. Hey, Yo-Yo, why don't you do a bit of research and then you come back to me, brother? Jump over to my Instagram or check out my reels and check out my stats, dude. Yeah, I mean, at some point there's no need for a strat. You're right. You just close your eyes and click the shit, man. I'm only live streaming once a week these days. All right, I guess we'll have to come over the old ball and chain NQ. Break below here before stock exchange open. Buying silver massively? Yeah, good call. Yo, what up, FaZe? Second best trader in space. I'm not even going to ask who the first is. Bob Trades. You're the second best trader in the space outside of fucking whippersnipper trades. You got a good cameraman? I have a good cameraman. There's a man behind the camera. He's good. No, don't you dare say Mumber FX. If you say, Dan, you're a great trader, second to fucking Mumber FX, I'll literally grab a grenade and just go. Type shit. Because that's an insult to the just society. Bangman Banana Trades, let's go. The GOAT. Who do you think is the best trader? I mean, it depends what your definition of the best is. Like, everyone just gets to a level and then everyone's kind of good. Some people are really good at doing this. Some people are good at that. Some people are good at risk management. Some people are good at, like, you guys, someone like Aaron Trades, really good trader. One thing Aaron Trades is really good at is, and it's like probably one of my hardest things to get good at is, like, if he's in drawdown, he'll cut it. He'll just go, I'm out. So his losses are always small. He's never got devastating losses, which is a really like high level thing. You know, I know you used to look up to Rajan. No, I didn't, I promise. No, I swear I didn't. Don't tell him. It should come in pretty much automatic, Mac. If you use the link in my bio, like you have to go through the link in my shits. Like if you go directly through that link, you're good to go. Then you're holding that. I mean, if NQ closed below here, who's trying to sell? I guess I'll try. Hey mate, 2 questions. How do you feel about not taking a trade for a few days if you don't find your setup? And secondly, how do you detach from money and emotional? Yeah, the first one, like how do you feel about taking a trade? It depends what your statistics show. Like if the strategy that you employ statistically is set up so a couple of days you won't get a setup. So I'm assuming you're probably like more of a swing-ish trader. Then it is what it is. But you'd want to have a high win rate so when you do get your setups, you kind of like, it's a pretty high probability that you're going to make money. Yeah. And in terms of detaching from the money and shit like that, it's different if you're a prop firm trader or a personal trader, account trader. It's really experience. Yeah, it's just experience. Time in the hot seat kind of thing. Do you still journal your trades? Sometimes, not very often. Who's the worst trader? You. mean, I don't know. Probably like just everyone that's struggling. Everyone. I mean, we're all the worst traders. You can be the. I can be the worst trader if I want. Like everyone can be that. It's like, it's just an act. It's just a daily act. You guys could all be really good traders, but you act stupid a lot of the time. The impulse, the over trading, the revenge trading, the heavy leveraging. Dump incoming, sell now. Bro, I've got a dump incoming as well. Show your phone, bro. What? Wow, see that? What the hell? 3 seconds, closure here. All right, there's a closure below. Who's trying to sell into stock exchange open? How much do you think you need to earn per month to become full-time trading? Well, you just do the math on what your expenses are and that's it. That's your answer. Why didn't you take the trade in silver? Because everything that I talked about why I was looking for a trade didn't happen. Lambo Raul and Alex G. Oh, Lambo Raul actually commented on my shit the other day on one of my posts. He said, hey bro, do you want a Lambo? Because I'm Raul. So if I take a sell here, I'm going to need a bit more of a retest than this. And like same story, I want a bit of a bottom wick before I enter. It's obviously super risky taking a trade before stock exchange, but I'm just getting bored now. This is a boredom trade. One of the best kind of signals is boredom trades. I'm not in your mentorship yet. I passed prop firm from watching your live for 1 month. Nice, Edson. Dub. Big dub. What a joker. How many people are you coaching? Just you. I'm just coaching you how to be a good boy. The fuck's a fog? Is that some new thing? 100% win ratio, nice. Big man things. Big man things. Yeah, I know Silver's flipping around. And why stock exchange open? I know, I'm just bored. Don't take this trade if you're not bored. The world's worst fucking mentor. Check my question if you can, matey. So mate, you reckon we should always wait for the double break of the low? No, it just, there's so many different scenarios. When to and when not to. I mean, typically if that new candle opens up, right? So let's say this one closed below the level, right? Like this. And then the next one opened up and it just started pushing up. So there was no bottom wick just yet. Kind of want that bottom wick to be created. So if I didn't wait for it here, look what would have happened. I would have got stopped out right now. Right? So every now and then, like I want to just kind of see that low kind of be broken at least once. But if you want to be patient like that, you got to know that there's a high probability you're going to miss a trade and that bitch is just going to keep dropping. But I'd rather, you know, keep my capital safe with a few rules. You say big man thing? Yeah, big man things. Wait, what did he say, Ty? Who's better, man? What's your workout regime? Just train in the mornings. Yeah, just go to the gym and just pick a muscle group and start training. That's the main thing I ever do. Yeah, silver's just slightly pushed. Top 10 dangerous trades before NYC open, but I'm bored. What's your strategy? I mean, click and hold and pray. Nah, price action. I break the strategy down into two components. I just say type 1, type 2, which is essentially a breakthrough of a respected level or a reaction off a respected level. Now, within those two concepts encompasses a whole bunch of different shit, but that's the basic premise. Call the board strat? Yeah. Is it a rotation like crypto? Yes. Fuck yes. Sick. How many cons? Just three MNQs. It's really just a boredom fucking trade. Are you Muslim? No, I'm just chilling. Hey, you guys, make sure you guys like the stream on YouTube. If you can like the stream, then that means I'll win this trade. No, this strategy doesn't work on the 5-minute time frame. No. You need higher, like mid to higher time frame candle closures for confirmation. The lower time frames are too weak for confirmation. That's why. Atheist? No, I'm nothing, but I believe in God and Jesus. I guess I'm a Christian. I am a sinner though, so I'm not perfect, that's for sure. Jesus. I'm closing this in 15 seconds. Right now, I'm closing it. Gold. Oh my God, gold's ugly as hell. All right, at least we've got another level. We've got a level here on gold. We've got the stock exchange coming in here. This level on gold's still good to go. It's our last hope, guys. It is one of our last hopes, I'll be brutally honest. Silver's just smashed through ATH. Stock exchange is going to hit NQ badly, so you kind of got to stand down there, and gold's choppy through here and a bit choppy up there as well. What do you mean, I guess? I said I guess because I don't like to associate myself with a label. I can believe and follow Jesus and believe in God and follow God. It doesn't mean I need to associate myself with a term. Oh, I'm a Catholic. How many Christians and Catholics do you know that are fucking retards? But they're apparently these Christians and Catholics. I'm not anything. I don't even go to church. I read the Bible daily and I follow that. I follow the word of, or the, that philosophy and that belief system. Are you profitable? Fucking hell. How many hours do you trade a day? Not many. Not many, G. You have the Holy Spirit? Yes, sir. We all have the Holy Spirit. Yeah, but if you say something like, I just believe in a creator, then you have to look for the evidence of who could that creator be, where could he have come from, and try to find, is there evidence of this creator? Like, surely there's some evidence left of the creator, and then you start to look into it using logic, using IQ, and it becomes pretty fucking evident, to be honest. I think the higher IQ you are, the more likely that you're going to move towards Christianity. 5 minutes here, man. We'll see if we can get something happening here in this 5-minute candle. Yeah. Make sure you guys on YouTube drop a thumbs up for the stream chat. Someone named Harira Muhammad said Jesus is just a prophet. Of course, my G. That's what you guys get taught. Do you trade soy? You disagree with hierarchy moving towards Christianity? That's fine. You can disagree, but I mean, the evidence suggests. To create a new structure, how many candles do you need to see? Just one on two, just one green and one red. Like this, one green and one red on the 15. Boom. That's now a new level. That's it. That's literally it. Yeah. I'm new to your channel and using your strategy. I've blown 3 accounts using your strategy. Hope. Fuck. Sorry, I don't mean to laugh. Yeah, sorry about that. Hey, bro, I'm using your strategy and I lost all of my money using it. Sorry. My bad. Come on, goal, bro. Just come down, man. We need to set up. This is unbelievable. Oops, yeah. No, man. Yeah. All right. Well, it's not looking good, you guys. NQ is about to get hit with stock exchange. That low just got broken then on that thing. Yeah, Shem, fuck. Bro, I'm using a strategy, lost all my life savings. Thanks. Why did you remove the NQ order? Because we're coming into the New York Stock Exchange and I don't want to hold the trade through there. Like, I was willing to do it just out of boredom, but I don't want to hold it this close to the stock exchange. I don't want to get tagged in at like 5 minutes till it opens. Yeah, the issue there, companion, is the fact that you're just watching YouTube videos. It's going to be really hard to, yeah, you're going to need to do a deep dive, unfortunately, to get a real deep dive grasp. Yeah, all good. Nothing here for me, you guys. Silver's overextended. Gold's pushing up into this range that I don't want to buy through unless it breaks all-time highs. NQ's about to get hit with the stock exchange. So I'm going to walk away from the charts for a while and maybe come up a sticky beak a bit later. But as for now, if you're a price action trading similar to me, yeah, you're probably going to have to wait a couple more candles before you get a setup. So there's no point just chilling here waiting for candle closures. But I do appreciate you guys jumping on. I'll catch up with you guys that are in the mentorship and stuff like that next Thursday. And yeah, love you. Appreciate you. And take care. Take care on these charts. It's crazy stuff. See you guys.